Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there are no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here with good news on the tool making front. See that's the back of the box. Here's my razor blade. There. From McMaster Car. That's what's written on this side. This is 6 by 6 by 1 inch. I guess I get to start working on it like tomorrow. Well, they didn't overpack it. Okay. Well, that's that. Put this in records. This goes out to work. Here you see the problem. This rotary table is on 0. This hex nut should be lining up so that this rule is parallel to the table. It's not. So, gonna manufacture something. Alright gang, you see this. You've probably seen this. Yeah. Yes. Anyway, you've seen that, and you see this. So, as you see, this represents that. This representing what I'm going to make. Here, let's get this 0 to the top. 0 will always be where I want it. In a situation like this. Okay, so here's the procedure. First, I slice an inch off one side, and an inch off what's left of the other side. There you see. Let me get my marking material out. Then I'm going to have to find 2.5 in from here and 2.5 in from there. Just a hair too much from each side. Anyway, I find the middle. It'll be like right there, or is it right here? Anyway, I find the middle, and then I drill and tap 3/4 16. Of course, before I do the drill and tap, I will figure out where these 4 corners, right? And I'll chop them. Then it's drill and tap and turn.